made a change today. I changed something for the good, I think anyway. Spent a lot of money. There she is. It's a 1992 Peterbilt 379 heavy duty recovery unit. So obviously the orange has got to change. We'll get to that eventually. But it's got a Nomar T3035. So it says T3530 right there, but that is incorrect from at least the research I've done on it. It needs a little love, needs a little care, but this puts me into the big leagues now. I'm gonna bring Kenny out here and we'll compare them side by side. Give me just a second. Alrighty, we got the OG Kenny, we got the new kid. He's not new. You know anything about me, I don't like emissions. Not only, for one, could I not afford a truck with emissions, but two, I don't want one, because pre-emission trucks are better. They last longer, they work harder. I mean, yeah, if I had the money, I would have spent a little bit more on a nicer truck, but I mean, this truck's just fine. It's gonna do what it needs to do. It's gonna get me where I'm going, but I mean, these two side by side, I mean, you got Peterbilt, Kenworth, you conquer the world with these bad Larrys. It does have the upgraded headlights. Don't get loud in here. But lengthwise, they're about the same. I mean, it's a 30 ton to a 35 ton. Kenny's got a 70-35 on the back of her. And so it's at least 65 tons of fun right here. We're gonna have to switch out these snatch blocks pretty quick though, because these are only 8 ton. But gosh, neither here nor there. Well, we're gonna play around with her. So we just picked her up. See if I can do something with this jobby here. I don't love how this sits out like that. I mean, yeah, it's sitting almost identical length with that, but that one sits flush, then my wheel lift sits up against it. I want to see if I can do the same with this or not. We're gonna find out. But she does come with some things. We've got tools, we've got our shackles up there, a whole mess of them. We've got our chains here, big jobbies, grade 100. You know, right there, that's worth the money. Got some more right here. I believe these ones are grade 80, more grade 100. Got our air hoses. Yeah, I don't know what's in these. Nothing. So, we got a whole bunch of timber. Oh, she's an old girl. But she'll treat us just nice. Got some bungees. We got an inverter in here. Extra battery for the light bar. Corded sawzall. Corded grinder, miscellaneous. And we've got chain enders there, more bungees, all of our timber, got some ratchet straps. And this is where all of our forks are at. So we got these bad Larrys, and then we've got some more in here. So yeah, this is ours, and we're gonna do some with it. So I'm gonna see what Paul's got going on, and we'll figure out what we're gonna do next. So I was looking around. We got that boom set up better. We got it all the way in. Looks 1,000 times better. It's gonna need a little work. Looks like rear end's gonna need a seal. and a wheel seal for sure, but it's gonna do what we need it to do, and that's what matters, because we still have Kenny. Kenny's a troop, gosh dang workhorse. So yeah, we're gonna get these trying to get these Larrys parked in here and see if I can find some dang room. But yeah, we're officially big boys. So in Utah County, where we're based in Utah, you have to have 2 heavy wreckers, both with a minimum 16 ton to be on rotation for highway patrol. And so we haven't been on highway patrol rotation. That's where all the big wrecks are at. And so we decided to make the investment to see if we can get on and get some of those big wrecks. Rotation opens up in July, so it is end of April. And yeah, we're ready. We got the 2 heavies. We've got our traveling axle trailer. We got a dump trailer. I mean, we're ready for all the big ones. And we even got dry vans. I mean, I own this dry van. It's got in it right now. We own another one. I wouldn't say it's roadworthy, but if we need them, we have them. And now I've got another wrecker. So this is 4 tow trucks, 2 light duty, 2 heavy duty, and we got a tractor trailer as well. So I'm pretty stoked. With these bigger wrecks, I'll be able to bring you guys cooler content, way better content, of like big rollovers, lots of stuff, and there's a lot of money in it. So, but you spend a lot to make a lot. So yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. It's my new prize, my new toy. See you in the next one. Peace.